Okay, so now we're ready to import our car image. You can use the one that I provided, or you can find one of your own. This one that I found, I searched car clip art and found one that was kind of in the right direction of the way my road is going. So I'm going to make a new symbol. It's going to be a graphic. I'll name it car. Oops. Need the picture. Way too big. So let's scale that down. Remember, shift is your friend. Okay, so I'm going to break this apart again. That's one of the nice things about this program. It can create vectors for you. Trace bitmap. Not too bad. Let's go with that. So click off of it to deselect it, and now you can kind of select the things you don't want, which is, you can also use the lasso to kind of draw around. I don't need those. It's a weird looking worm thing sticking out there, but we'll leave it. And I think I'll get rid of those two. Like I said, feel free to find any graphic you want. So now I'm going to exit symbol edit mode and take my car symbol. It needs a new layer. We'll name it car. And drag it onto your stage. It's kind of the wrong direction, so modify, transform. Okay. So I'm going to go to about frame 40 because that's where I don't want it to immediately pop into the frame, right? So they're going to hear an audio clip of a car starting, and then you're going to hear vroom, and this car is going to whiz by. Okay, so insert keyframe. This is where it starts moving. I'm going to go to frame 90, or let's go ahead and convert this to a motion tween, okay? And put my playhead on frame 90. Choose the free transform tool, hold down shift, and let's move this down. With this symbol, you can see how it is animating it from the center of the graphic. So what I want to do with the free transform tool is take this anchor point and put it on the front of the car. Now I need to adjust. I'm going to click off of my path, and if you hover your mouse, you get a little curve. So I'm going to kind of bend it. Okay, so let's hit enter. It's going to go like that. Okay? Next up, we're going to add audio.